Everyone thinks the best-selling budget drones with 4K cameras are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you take a closer look, you'll see there's a lot more to the story. Product number 1: Loily 2K HD Drone. The Loily 2K HD drone caught my eye with its affordable price of just $39.98. This drone is a great entry point for beginners wanting to dabble in aerial photography without breaking the bank. If you want a simple, budget-friendly way to capture moments from the sky, this is worth a serious look. With its altitude hold and optical flow positioning, you can take quality shots effortlessly, even if you're new to flying drones. And with a flight time of about 26 minutes thanks to 2 batteries, you won't be left disappointed. It's also compact, folding down to pocket size, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Now, some people complained about its limited camera resolution compared to others on this list. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's an excellent value for those just starting out. The 2K camera is still good enough for casual use, and if you're serious about drone photography, you'll likely upgrade anyway. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an affordable way to explore aerial photography. Skip this one if you need higher resolution or advanced features. For under $40, it's a fun way to get started in the drone world. Product number 2: DJI Mini 4K. Next up is the DJI Mini 4K, priced at $299. This drone truly impressed me with its 4K UHD camera and professional features. If you're serious about getting high-quality footage without a massive investment, this is definitely worth considering. Plus, it has an impressive flight time of 31 minutes, so you can capture all the action without the constant worry of coming down early. And the best part, it weighs under 249 grams, meaning you don't have to register it with the FAA, making it hassle-free for recreational use. Now, some users pointed out that the DJI Fly app can be tricky since it's not available on Google Play. Here's the thing though, the app is essential for full control and takes your flying experience to the next level. If you're willing to put in a little extra effort to get it set up, you'll be rewarded with incredible footage. This is perfect for you if you want a top-notch drone that's still budget-friendly for its quality. Skip this one if you're looking for something without a learning curve. Product number 3: BLINORY GPS Drone. The BLINORY GPS drone is another solid option, retailing at just $59.97. It offers a lot of bang for your buck, and I was genuinely surprised by the features packed into this budget-friendly drone. If you want a reliable drone that won't break the bank, this deserves your attention. Its GPS auto-return feature is also a game-changer for beginners, ensuring that you won't lose your drone even if you lose signal or run out of battery. With a flight time of up to 32 minutes, you can capture plenty of memories without worrying about landing it prematurely. Now, some people mention that the camera quality might not meet higher standards like 4K drones. Here's the thing though, at under $60, it's an excellent choice for casual users who just want to enjoy flying and filming without the steep investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable drone with smart features. Skip this one if you need professional-grade video quality. Product number 4: REDRIE Foldable Drone. Moving on, we have the REDRIE Foldable Drone priced at $98.97. This one caught my eye with its foldable design and solid features for the price. If you're looking for something portable and fun, give this a look. What's great about this drone is the 4K UHD camera combined with a 2-axis gimbal, which helps eliminate shaky footage. It also features smart flight modes, so you can let it fly around and capture stunning shots without constant control. The flight time is impressive too, offering up to 45 minutes with 2 batteries, which means less hassle and more flying. Now, some users found the initial setup a bit confusing. Here's my take: if you're a beginner, it might take a moment to get the hang of it, but once you do, you'll appreciate the features and performance. This is perfect for you if you want a portable option with decent capabilities for a great price. Skip this one if you prefer something that's plug and play right out of the box. Product number 5: Otair GPS Drone. Finally, let's talk about the Ottair GPS drone at $116.97. This drone is packed with features that make it an excellent choice for both beginners and casual flyers. If you want something that offers a bit more without a hefty price tag, consider this one. With its adjustable 4K UHD camera and 48 minutes of flight time thanks to its dual battery setup, it's hard to beat. The auto return feature ensures you won't lose it, and the multiple smart flight modes like waypoint flight and GPS follow make it super user-friendly for capturing your adventures. Some users did mention the lack of an SD card included in the package, which can be a bit frustrating. But honestly, with everything else it offers, it's a minor inconvenience that's easily manageable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid drone with great features for outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you want something with an included memory card. So to sum it all up, the Loyly 2K is perfect for absolute beginners. The DJI Mini 4K excels in video quality. The BLINORY GPS drone is an amazing budget pick. The REDRIE foldable drone offers portability, and the Ottair GPS drone packs in great features for its price. Each of these options has its own strengths, so think about what matters most to you before making your choice.